Let's talk about Jghjh electric bicycle folding type travel driver portable mini battery car hydraulic disc brake system. Say goodbye to congestion, portable fashion, enjoy natural time, no longer worry about congestion. Bring your loved ones to travel together can be placed anywhere, multiple folds, small and portable, folding height is only 105 centimeters, no waste of valuable family space. Inverted three-wheel structure, front double-wheel design. In order to ensure excellent cornering characteristics and good passability, the front suspension adopts a multi-link independent suspension similar to a car. The multi-link suspension system completes the differential adjustment of the front two wheels by suspension, and the cornering performance is superior. Hydraulic disc brake system, the tubing stores brake oil. It is not easy to leak oil, the brake of the oil brake is soft, the braking effect is strong, and it is easy to maintain. The hub motor and the high-speed brushless motor provide power while reducing the current and improving the battery life.